Welcome to CanCAD Channel. In today's video, I'll cover how to write text on a floor plan using standard style in AutoCAD. Before I start setting up the text styles, take a look at the text bar on the Annotate tab. By default, you notice the height of the text is shown as 0 or default value. This means the text height will need to be adjusted through the text style setting. Let's change this by creating your own text styles. To do this, go to Annotate tab, head over the text bar and click Text Style Manager. Here, I'm working with the standard text style. I'll create two new styles under different names for specific text heights. Click on New and name the first style Room Level 200. Set the text height to 200 millimeters. And apply the changes. Next, create another style named Room Level 300. And set the text height 300 millimeters. You can change the font if you want to. I will stay with original. Now we have two customized styles for labeling our floor plan. Now let's write down text on the floor plan using the style. Change the style on the text bar to Room Label 200. Go to Annotate tab, click on a big A, and select Single Line Text. Place the text insertion point in your floor plan in tab Bedroom. You'll see the text is shown 200 millimeters in height. You can verify this by checking the properties. If you want to change the height of your text, go back to text bar and switch to Room Label 300. Keep in mind that this change will only apply to new text you type after switching styles. Already typed text will retain the original height and can't be adjusted using the text bar. Living room. Check the height again to confirm by checking the properties. height 300. You can also copy move or delete the text labels directly from your floor plan. Now, let's talk about how to delete unwanted text styles like room label 200 and room label 300. Here's the key point. Text style can only be deleted after all text using that style has been removed from the plan. First, remove all text labeled with room label 200 from the plan. Change the style on the text bar to standard. Then go back to Text Style Manager. And delete the style. If any text still exists using this style, AutoCAD won't let you delete it. Do the same of room label 300. Remove text from the plan. Change the style on the text bar to standard. Alright, standard. Okay. And then delete the style. And that's how the standard style works in AutoCAD. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials on the CanCAD channel. Thanks for watching.